Easter is finally here. A warm and cozy morning in the rabbit house. But wait, did you see it? Look at the basket. One egg is missing. Where could it be? Oh no, the most beautiful blue egg is gone.
Brothers, Zumi, Lazy. Quick, come here. The blue egg, it's missing.
The whole family is here. Everyone is shocked. Look at their faces. Where did the blue egg go? Okay, time to divide and conquer. Lazy goes to the kitchen. And Flash and Zumi, they stay in the living room. Flash checks the flower pots. Maybe the blue egg is hiding behind the plants? And Zumi? Oh, he is crawling under the big armchair. Nothing there. No egg in the living room. Time to help Lazy. Quick, Zumi, let's go to the cozy kitchen. The kitchen search is on. Lazy is checking the high cabinets. Up, up, up. Is the blue egg behind the spice jars? Now, Zumi is looking inside the sink cabinet, while Lazy climbs even higher. Be careful, bunnies. Still no egg. Oh, Lazy, a tea kettle? You silly bunny. An egg can't drink tea. Is it really in there? Back to the living room. Look at the red velvet curtain. Is it hiding there in the shadows? Shh, let's see.
Not here either. Where can it be?
Oh, Flash, puzzled, tired. Everywhere is empty. Is Easter ruined? No blue egg. We can't find it anywhere. Time to go to work. Papa is putting on his big coat. Everything is ready. But wait, what is inside the pocket? A miracle. Look, the most beautiful blue egg is here. It's not just blue. Look how it glows with golden light. Back in the safe and cozy living room, the mystery is solved. But who put the warm, blue egg inside Papa's coat? Maybe the sweetest mommy in the world?
Dear, it was you.
It's my little Easter secret. Happy Easter.
Did you like our story, little ones? If you want to hear more, please ask your mommy or daddy to subscribe to our channel. Don't miss our new, funny, and happy stories about the lazy rabbit family. See you soon. Bye-bye.